Can you solve all these nanotechnology questions? The father of nanotechnology? Correct response. Richard Feynman is the most accurate answer. Where is nanotechnology made? Well done. Nano-manufacturing is the right choice. Was first developed in the 60s. Right again. Nanotechnology is a valid answer. Who popularized the term nanotechnology? Clear logic. Your choice, Nani, is sound and 100% true. In what century was nanotechnology born? Nicely done. Early 21st century is a solid answer. In which products is nanotechnology not used? Sharp thinking. Vacuum cleaner is the right choice. The concept of nanotechnology was started by. On track. Richard Feynman is the correct answer. The application of nanotechnology includes dash. Excellent. All the above is a brilliant choice. Who first used the term nanotechnology and when? Excellent choice. Writing Taniguchi in 1974 is the right answer. Which sector would develop nanotechnology coating? Strong choice. Chemical is the right answer. Concepts of nanotechnology and nanoscience started. Exactly. Dec 29th, 1959 makes sense and it is right choice. Who is known as the father of modern nanotechnology? Perfect. Richard Feynman is the correct choice. He was honored for his dash work in nanotechnology. Well picked. Groundbreaking is the correct answer. The first talk about nanotechnology was given by Dash. Great job. Richard Feynman is the accurate answer. What is the main engine of nanotechnology development? Great thinking. Semiconductor electronics is the right choice. The following are applications of nanotechnology except. Nice work. You chose none of the above, and it is correct. The word nanotechnology was coined and popularized by. You chose Eric Drexler, and it is correct. What type of microscope might be used for nanotechnology? Smart move. Atomic force microscope is an accurate answer. It's concerned with the manipulation of matter on a nanoscale. Right choice. Nanotechnology is the best answer. It refers to technologies that operate at the nanometer level. Nice selection. Nanotechnology is the correct and valid answer. The following is the range of material sizes in nanotechnology. You're right. 109 mm is the correct answer. Identify what nanotechnology applications is this? Life extension? Valid point. Medicine is true. Identify what nanotechnology applications is this? Nanocatalysts. Good thinking. Better air quality is the right answer. The study of nanoscale objects and their properties is called dash. Smart pick. Nanoscience is the correct choice. Scientist Norio Taniguchi proposed the term nanotechnology in dash. Solid response. 1974 is a valid choice.
The application of tools and processes on a very small scale is known as.
You got it. Your choice nanotechnology is right. Promoting renewable energies is considered one of the nanotechnology. Dash. Well reasoned. Advantage is the correct choice. Products of nanotechnology will be smaller, lighter yet more functional. Bravo! Cheaper is the answer. Impacting on the job marketing is considered one of the nanotechnology dash. Correct. Disadvantage is the right answer. Identify what nanotechnology applications is this nanosensors for satellites. Good job. Your answer space works well here. The following are not included in the fabrication methods in nanotechnology dash. You chose photobox fabrication. And it is correct. Which country has most of the research and development spending for nanotechnology? Great job. China is the accurate answer. Identify what nanotechnology applications is this? Graphene and cellulosic nanomaterials? Strong choice. Electronics is the right answer. What side the science of manipulating matter on an atomic and molecular scale to solve problems? Clear logic. Your choice nanotechnology is sound and 100% true. The following are the priorities of the Philippines in nanotechnology development, except dash. Sharp thinking. ACT and semiconductors is the right choice. Physicist who discussed a method in which concepts of nanotechnology and nanoscience started. Smart pick. Richard Feynman is the correct choice. He was the project leader of the DOST roadmap for nanotechnology development in the Philippines. Perfect. Dr. A.S. Fabian Direct is the correct choice. We can use nanotechnology to alter physical properties of matter by arranging and rearranging what? Smart move. Atoms is an accurate answer. Nanotechnology is dash as the study and use of structures between 1 nanometer and 100 nanometers in size. Nice selection. Defined is the correct and valid answer. Refers to the science, engineering, and technology conducted in nanoscale, which is about 100 nanometers. Well picked. Nanotechnology is the correct answer.
The use of dash is one important interdisciplinary area generated by advancement in science and technology.
You're right. Nanoscale is the correct answer. It refers to scaled-up, reliable, and cost-effective manufacturing of nanoscale materials, structures, devices, and systems. Correct response. Nanomanufacturing is the most accurate answer. Which of these consumer products is already being made using nanotechnology methods? Bravo! All of the above is the answer. Nanotechnology requires specialized tools. One tool is used to show detailed three-dimensional images at very high magnification. Well done. Scanning electron microscope is the right choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Good job. Your answer contact Narayan Changder works well here.